I am very bored. I just decided to make this video because I was bored. Um, I will be on MSP later. That is such an addicting game. Listening to Hollywood Undead. Doing homework. Yep, that's right. And I got braces. It sucks. Oh, but don't worry. I'm getting it taken off. So, as you can see, my gumball machine's over there. Yep, gumball machine right there. Yep. You have to see how cute this thing is, though. Okay, so this is a piggy bank. This thing is freaky. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah, my guitar. Yeah. I'm so bored. I'm just going to stop this video, upload it on YouTube, and it'll be fine. Boom. Oh wait, okay, I don't know what else to say. Alright, bye.